Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 10 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 12 for chapter 10 microbes and human welfare. So let's start with the video. The first question is Monascus purpureus is a yeast used commercially in the production of dash. The option A is citric acid. The option B is ethanol. The option C is blood cholesterol lowering strains. And the last option is none of the above. The right answer to this question is option C, and that is blood cholesterol lowering strains. Question second. What does a high value of BOD biochemical oxygen demand indicate? The option A is the water is pure. The option B is that water is less polluted. Option C is that water is highly polluted. And the last option is that consumption of organic matter by microbes is higher in the water. The right answer is option C. That is that water is highly polluted. Question third. Which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solid? Option A. Primary treatment. Option B. Sludge treatment. Option C. Tertiary treatment. And the option D. Secondary treatment. The right answer is option A. That is primary treatment. Question fourth. Streptococcus is used in the preparation of option A. Wine. Option B. Italy. Option C. Paneer. Or option D. Bread. The right answer is option C, paneer. Question fifth. Which of the following species of plant would you select for the production of bioethanol? Option A, Zea mays. Option B, Ponagamia. Option C, Zetropha. Option D, Brassica. The right answer is option A, Zea mays. Question 6th. Which of the following is not used in organic farming? Option A snail, option B glomus, option C earthworm, and option D oscillatoria. The right answer is option A snail. Question 7th. A common biocontrol agent for the control of plant disease is option A Trichoderma, option B Glomus, option C Bacillus, option D Baculovirus. The right answer is option A Trichoderma. Question 8. The most common substrate used in distilleries for the production of ethanol is A option cornmeal, B option soya meal, option C ground gram, and the option D molasses. The right answer is option D molasses. Ninth question. Secondary sewage treatment is mainly a dash. Option A is chemical process. Option B is biological process. Option C is physical process. And option D is mechanical process. The right answer is option B, biological process. The last question for this lecture is which one of the following helps in absorption of phosphorus from soil by plants? Option A glomus, option B frankia, option C rhizobium, and the option D anabania. The right answer is option A glomus.